Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So cause, cause. The reason behind something and why something is the way it is, the why of something. What caused that? I caused I don't know, a spark, for example. He caused a firecracker to go off. They caused it to happen. They caused it to happen. Makes sense. I will cause the upgrade. I will cause it to upgrade. I will cause it to change. I will cause them to listen to me. Things will happen so this other thing can happen. Cause. She causes the car to turn. It caused them to listen. That thing caused them to listen. Yes. So, I cause. They cause. You cause. Nice. So, I caused it to work. I caused it to fall apart. Yes. They caused me to listen. They cause me to dance. They caused me to dance. It's their fault. They did something, and now I'm dancing. Why not? You cause. You always cause it to start. You cause them to fall apart, to break apart. Yeah. So he causes, she causes, it causes. How cool is that? So he causes them to behave. She causes them to learn and improve. Yes, to improve, to get to learn. And it causes them to go a different route. Yeah, it causes me to change my plans. The weather caused me to change my plans. The weather caused me to change my plans. Yeah, because the weather was rainy, I had to change my plans elsewhere and tweak things, do things differently. Yeah. I caused the thing to happen. It was because of me it happened. I caused it to happen. Yeah. Often a negative thing. I caused that disaster to happen. Aren't you causing it now? Aren't you causing the problem now? Isn't it you this time? Aren't you causing it now? Aren't you the reason behind the thing? They're going to cause the new one to work. Through the actions, they will cause the other one to work. Yeah, they'll cause it to work. Whatever they do, they'll cause it to work. Whatever they do, it will cause the machine to work, to function. To function. Now it's working. Yeah. So this thing happened, and it has a causal effect on other things. Yeah. Because of that, I had to do this. I caused them to change. I caused you to learn English. This book, the other book, caused me to think about different principles. This book caused me to think about how mystery novels are written. Yeah. Different things can cause people to learn new stuff. Yeah. And change opinions. Yeah. It's causing me to rethink everything. It's causing me to rethink everything. Oh, rethink this, rethink that. Yeah. It's causing me to rethink everything. Oh, very good. Yeah. So I cause, they cause, you cause, he causes, she causes, it causes. How cool is that? So cause now. Can you write cause in a sentence? Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.